In this video, I'm going to go over the monochrome trace again, the smooth setting. Alright, so let's come over here and file, place image, and I'm going to use this cat here. And if I zoom in on it, you can see, well, let me go ahead and open the trace window because you can see it better there. And I'll zoom in. And you can see how this is kind of pointed, this is kind of pointed, and this is more rounded. What I can do here is, this was set, I believe, at 75. And you can see more of a point now, here and here. I can change this up to, let's say, 90, and hit enter. And it rounded out, or update preview, and it rounded it out a little bit, but it's still pointed here. So at the highest you can go is 100, and update preview. And check the rest of your image, make sure that it hasn't distorted anything else, which it hasn't. I'm going to go ahead and accept that. No, I don't need to do any more tracing. And check my trace lines so I can get rid of this image here. Now, if I really wanted to fix this point here, I can zoom in with my zoom tool, and it's this point right here. I can grab my shape tool, my node editing tool, click on the image, and I can go ahead and select that node and pull it out. Don't worry about that white space, it'll fill in, to make it more rounded, okay? And then, of course, I'm going to have to do this one too, because now this one looks too pointed. And this looks better. Alright, I can even pull this one down to make it even with this one here. You know, you can play around with your nodes. You have these little handles as well you can play around with. And then zoom out, and maybe that was a little far. See, that looks better. There's no pointed edges to the cat. Alright, I can check my trace lines again, and yeah, that looks good. Alright, the option is there, so check it out if you have images that seem to have angular edges. Okay?